Welcome to our tutorial on how to see who viewed your thread on the Threads app. The Threads app allows you to have private conversations with your close friends on Instagram. If you've ever been curious about who has viewed your thread and want to learn how to access this information, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to see the list of users who have viewed your thread, giving you a deeper insight into your interactions and engagement. Let's dive in and uncover the mystery of who's been checking out your thread on the Threads app. The first thing you need to do is open your Threads app on your phone. After that, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can see that I have only one thread here that I posted. If I tap on it, you can notice that I don't have any comments, but I have 2 likes. However, you can get an idea of who viewed your thread based on who liked that specific post. Now let's go back to the home page and tap on one of these random threads. Another way you can find out is, of course, if someone leaves a comment on your specific thread. You can see here 30 replies and 552 likes, which gives you an idea of who exactly has viewed this, but not everyone. It doesn't show you every single person who has viewed it, but only a subset of people who have chosen to reply, comment, or like that specific thread. Please keep in mind that currently, Threads does not have the functionality to show you every single person who has viewed it. But this is your best option to get a subset of the people who have viewed or watched your thread or video. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.